What's up, guys? This is Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video, taking a look at a USB headset. Now, this headset was sent out to me by a company called Newbie. Big shout out to them for sponsoring this video as well. So you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is $23.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So let's take a look at some of the features and details on this. So this has noise reduction and clear voice capture. This has a built-in noise reduction sound card in the microphone, and it helps to reduce surrounding noise during calls and meetings. This is lightweight and has a rotatable mic boom, a 270-degree flexible mic boom that perfectly adjusts easily to the left and right side. This only weighs 116 grams as well, and this is widely compatible with all types of devices here. This has a 3.5 millimeter jack, USB cable, and a USB-C adapter. Now you can use this with Windows, Mac, tablets, phones. You can use this for Skype, call center, conference calls, online courses, and things like that. So we're going to take a look at this. I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So here's the packaging that it comes in. You guys see a very nice, clean looking box here. Newbie H361 headset. On this side, you got a picture of the device there, and it says sound quality, superior sound quality. And then on this side, it's going to give you a few more of those specs that I read off there. 160-degree rotatable microphone, HD microphone, clear sound, lightweight. And then here's the back of it. 361 H361 USB headset, compatible with all kinds of mobile devices and computers. So let's go ahead, get into the box. Check this out. So I've worked with Newbie on numerous occasions and excited to be working with this product right here. So let's go ahead and get the contents out. So the first thing in the box we're going to pull out, these are the cable management clips. So these have a little sticky back on the back of them. You can take this and stick this wherever you need if you need to manage the cables. That's the first thing you got in the box. And then next, you're going to have your Type-C adapter connected to your USB-A here. So that allows you to use this with anything that's compatible with USB-C. You guys see, and then you got your USB-A. Does have some branding on there. And then you got your inline controls here. Your mute, volume up and down as well right there. Got Newbie branding on the back of this also. And then, of course, you're going to have your microphone with the boom. Your headset with the microphone on it, and also you're going to have your paperwork here as well. So you're going to have your user's manual, going to tell you everything that you need to know about using this product, and also you're going to have your safety instructions and warnings, and things like that. So that is all in the box. We're going to go ahead and get the box out of the way. So here's the headset. As you guys see, very, very nice looking headset here. Got some Newbie branded on it here. Here's your microphone, boom mic right here, which is 270-degree rotatable. So you can use this on either your left or your right side. This is expandable as well, adjustable right there. Got very nice, soft ear pads here as well, and they do rotate in like that. So this adjusts on both sides. You got some nice padding up here, and very nice. You got a very nice look to the headsets right here. Got a kind of chrome look right there. That's very clean. And then you got a very long 3.5 cable here, as you guys see. So that's your 3.5. What you would do is just plug this in. If you don't want to use it just with the 3.5, you can plug in. Now you can use the Type-C or you can use the Type-A. It depends on what device you're using this with. And we're going to go ahead and demonstrate this as well. But very lightweight at 116 grams, and it feels great. Here's your mic right here. Here's the mic. And this is very, very flexible, man, very lightweight. So let's go ahead and plug this in and give it a try. All right, guys, so this is the front-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You guys see, this is how the headset looks on my head. Feels very comfortable. This is the mic. Now, it's not plugged in. I'm using the onboard mics on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra right now. But just to show you guys what this looks like, you can adjust this up and down. And now we're going to do a comparison when I plug in the Newbie headset and let you guys see how it sounds. So let's go ahead and plug in. All right, guys, so now the headset is plugged into the S22 Ultra. This is the difference in sound quality that you're going to get. You guys see, it is plugged in. You can rotate this wherever you want. Feels comfortable on the head now. I do have the inline controller in. When you have it plugged in, you're gonna get a blue indicator light there. So let's see if the mute switch will work recording like this. All right, so I was talking, when I hit the mute switch, it turned red. So that's what I was saying while it was muted. But yeah, the inline controls here. Now I'm going to make a few phone calls after this part of the video, and then I'll tell you about it at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and finish the video. All right, guys, so we're back in. That was just one example of how you could use this headset. Now, after I did that part, I made some phone calls and talked to several different people, and they all said that the headset sound great. No issues with the sound quality on this. In comparison to the microphone on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, I think this did sound better being plugged in comparison to the onboard mics on that. Now, very lightweight and comfortable, very flexible here. You can use this wherever you want. I didn't feel any discomfort or anything like that. And also, you do have the ability to use this with Type-C, or you can also use this with USB or 3.5 as well. So phone calls are great. You want to use this with your Skype, Teams, conference calls, whatever you want to do. I think you'll be satisfied with this, with these, and you'll be able to wear them for hours and on end because the ear pads are very nice, lightweight, and feel very soft on your ear. So that's my look at the Newbie H361 USB headset. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.